Isha and Ali. So today, this is part 1 of making slime. Yay! Don't forget to do the handshake because 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, boom, boom. You have to do the Instagram because we're always looking everywhere, looking at the chat and those. So today we're going to make slime dye, part 1. And we're going to just make it. So let's just pour each other.
I'll do that.
Yeah?
I can help you.
I will tell you when to stop.
Okay, wait.
Keep on. And that's it.
Okay.
I'll say when to stop. I think that's it now.
Papa, this is not candy. You just.
And that's it.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. So now what you have to do, Abiha?
Now we're just going to stir it until it gets a big bubbly. Yeah.
Slow down. Don't rush. Remember.
It's not a big rush, guys. You guys take
Slow
your
down.
time. And so guys, you take your time. It's not a big rush because like and it's a bubble of small ones or little ones. It's ready to go. Like mine. It's
Yeah. Abiha.
like mine too.
Yeah, Ali, you're doing good. Ali, I think you need more little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You see guys, this is mine still.
Yes.
This is
Keep
mine.
doing, Abiha. Make sure यहाँ पे मत गिरे, okay? Just slow down.
Guys, you
Slowly,
see
slowly. Yes,
that's why we have this big plate.
Yeah. Keep going. Slowly. Keep doing. Good job, Isha. Your bubble's coming. Yeah.
Guys, so my mom got us a best plate.
Thank you. Okay, can you do that?
Mine too, right? I
Yeah.
like Isha's color. Thank you. I like your color.
Okay. Come on, good job. Slow down, but गिरे नहीं, okay? Come on.
So guys, when we guys, it got to be fully bubbly like everywhere. So sorry, Ali, you can talk. Sorry. So guys, I don't know how the color will look like, right, guys? Yeah. It could be green like this, or light blue, or like. My guys, guess what's my favorite color? Guess what's blue. Mine's are purple. Mine are dark blue and light blue, and his are dark blue. No, mine are light blue.
Okay.
Mine are dark blue and light.
Okay, can I see one?
And mine are purple.
Oh, Abiha, देखो thick होना शुरू हो गई है ना?
Yeah, once it gets thick.
Oh yes, Abiha, keep doing. Ali,
This is thick.
Ali, come on, you do too.
This is thick.
Ali, I think you need a big one. Yeah, Isha, can I
he's
see?
doing it well, but he's not like mixing it
It's
a
okay,
lot.
he's a boy. He don't know. It's okay, he's at least trying.
I'm making it. Yeah, there's some bubbles at the corner. Actually, guys, since we're making part 2 soon, you will get more, right? You will get better and
Look,
better.
Abiha का change हो गया.
Guys, remember that we
Ali, can I help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at Elise, it's so green. I like it. What's yours? It's light blue.
Okay, let me help you. Ali, you just hold this.
That's my favorite color too.
Okay, yeah. Harder.
This is my
Hold
favorite
both hands.
color. Mine's too. Okay, guys, mine's are like blue.
Oh, look, Ali का भी bubble आ गया. Ali, look, ये bubbly.
Bubble.
Bubbling, yes.
Guys,
Ali.
did you remember when we were small? My mom made a video of us in the bathtub. In the bathtub with a duggy.
Look, Ali, a bubble is coming. Wow. Abhi, keep doing.
Yeah, you just you see, guys, how to make it too thick. You just stir it from there. You gotta just do
Look,
you
Ali
gotta
ka bhi
push
sikh ho
hard. So guys, my Ali is done. And mine, well, guys, you see, you just need to do this. That's how you know it's thick.
Yes.
No, Isha not thick. Kind of thick.
Yeah.
Just keep on. Just
Isha,
stir it so
wait.
hard. Okay, Mom. My mom
That's
is
it.
gonna help me.
Yeah, Isha, you are almost close. Okay, so now, Abhi, इसको we have to छोड़ना पड़ेगा. We have to leave it 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we have to do, Abhi?
Now we're gonna leave it for 2 hours or 3 hours. Then, guys, once it gets so sticky, we're just gonna play with it after that. Put it in the freezer, and we're just gonna keep some.
No, we're not putting in the freezer. We're just putting on the room temperature.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just room temperature, and
And
we see after 2 hours. Now time is 3 o'clock. When the data come after, we can make the part.
Bye. Peace out. Let's see you guys. Guys, we're not guys. Anyway.
Ali, how you do the wait? How you gonna do that? Ali, can you do that again? Again, how you say the peace of bro?
Peace out, bro.
Stop it, Abhi. Look, Abhi is making mess. This is not nice, Abhi.
No, I'm just playing with it.
No, this is not
Because
nice.
I
No
feel
right now. No right now.
So
Okay, so let's see after 2 hours. Peace.
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 I need peace and harmony in the world.
Okay.
Guys, we're back from our slime.
Okay. Can you put down? Can you please put down?
So
Yeah.
this is Zoha's.
Hey, Papo.
This is
Nice.
Isha's. Oh. This is Ali's. And
Ali's.
guys, this is mine.
What? I like it.
Guys,
I
this
like
is pretty
it.
cool.
I like it.
Go, my slime. Guys, actually, we put it up to 3 hours, but now.
Because you guys keep touching again and again.
Because I was like, it's ready. Let's wait. We were so happy that we can't believe it. We thought it was so. Yeah. Okay, this is so satisfying right here. There, guys, look. It's so sticky. Guys, comment down below. But guys, my dad got Antica today and from the coronavirus.
Vaccination.
But I got a Nautica, but this is my Tika.
Okay.
And he gave me a my Tika.
Okay. Okay.
So, anyways, this is mine. Guys, you could try this at home. It's dyes. So, it's
I love that.
you don't need a sticky. It's not going to be sticky. Okay,
Chicky.
Guys.
Yes.
And you don't have dye. It doesn't matter. Any kind of soap.
Ali,
This,
no, don't do this.
This
Can you please put down?
wash soap. You
Right,
guys
that's
know?
why I give you this one.
Guys.
Can you please put
So
down?
what you can like turn to a bubble. If it gets in your carpet, it doesn't matter. If you don't have like this, you can just follow along with us, no problem. We don't care. But if you don't have it, it's okay. But anyways, bye. Let's do the handshake. Bye.
1, 2, oh.
3, 2,
So.
1. Go.
Hey.
Do it anywhere. But when you're a boy, guys, you better do this.
Oh, you better do this.
Okay, do it again.
Okay, wait. How boys do that? Can you stand up?
Like.
Oh. Wait. What? I like
Okay,
it.
I just figured out.
No, this is not chocolate. You try to eat.
Okay,
Okay, guys. So thank you.
Guys, I got a question. Before we leave, you guys could do a hashtag and 543 to what on Instagram because we're looking at everywhere. You can do it at the challenge. Just one 543 to boom boom anything because we're looking everywhere. Our eyes are open. Now we're just gonna mix it a little, and that's it for today.
John, you eat chocolate. Look at that. Look at your face.
She eat
Look at.
chocolate?
Yeah, she's chocolate.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Papa.
Now we can play with our slime.